Hey guys, I'm currently playing a playground version of Fortnite X Squid Grounds map, and currently I'm outside of Square Mills because I'm going to show you some landmarks that have been added to this location that were introduced in previous seasons. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get on with the video. The first landmark we'll be looking at is Tacos. This was a Greasy Grove location that was added in Season X. This location was loved by people, but not really the bubble for it. It kind of ruined the POI. This POI was also reintroduced into Chapter 3, but for only 2 seasons was it normal, until Vibing kinda ruined the whole thing. There's this added addition, where you can do one of the challenges to unlock something in the middle of this location. Other than that, on to the second landmark. The second landmark we'll be looking at is Butterbun. This landmark was located near the 0 point in Chapter 2 Season 5 and re-added into Chapter 3 for 2 seasons. It was normal until a reality tree changed this whole place and made it futuristic like Season 9 of Fortnite. Also, if you come over here, you can see the other challenge for the llama, which you can open in the middle after you get all 4. Anyway, let's continue and I'll show you the third landmark. The third landmark we're looking at is Styx. This was added in Chapter 2, Season 1, and stayed till Chapter 3, Season 4. The challenge is down here, and also there's a little mention that I'm going to say. This was re-added in Remix about 7 months ago. Other than that, onto the final landmark. The final landmark we're looking at is Pizza Pit. This landmark was added in Chapter 1, Season 1, and left in Chapter 1, Season 5, when it was replaced by Tomato Temple. Until Season 9, it was that way. Until Season X brought this back, but changed a few slight details about it. Now, as you can see here, this has arrived in the Squid Games map. It's also made marks in Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, and even Chapter 4. But not Chapter 5 and Chapter 6. Except if you count OG, then yes, it is in the OG map. Regardless, it doesn't really matter. Also, if you want to do the final challenge for this place, then here it is. It's actually near the back door. And there's one more thing I would like to show you. And it's right there. Alright. So the reason why I want to mention this is because this is not just a statue. This is actually a giant chest that you get a mythic from. So, when I mention the challenges, there's actually one armor in each. One at Tacos, one at Fish Sticks, one at the Butter Barn, and one at Pizza Pit. If you basically do all the challenges, you'll get a shape. You get a shape here for doing that one. You'll get a shape for doing this one. You'll get a shape for doing this one. And for the final one, whichever one you do, you'll get this one. But I suggest you do this one and this one, because those are the most hardest. And it's very stressful to lose your loot. So yeah. Anyways, layers.